If your idea of Wimberley living is modern hill country style with trees and your own private pool, this one might be for you. This is a brand new construction home right here in Wimberley, Texas, and I love how they combined a really modern design with a natural hill country setting. And who doesn't love a big front porch? Come inside and let's take a look. As soon as you walk inside, you've got this large open concept living space. And one of the first things you're going to notice is all the natural light. The oversized windows really bring the outdoors in and make the whole house feel open and bright. And then you've got this kitchen. It's clean, modern, and really fits the style of the house. I love that you can be in the kitchen and still be a part of what's happening in the living area, and you've got all those big windows keeping everything bright. Take a second look at some of the finishes throughout the home. Because this is new construction, everything feels fresh, but it doesn't feel cookie cutter. There's a really nice mix of modern finishes and warmer hill country elements. I love soft closed drawers. But now let me show you one of my favorite parts of this property. This backyard. You've got your own private pool surrounded by trees and tucked into this really peaceful setting. This is exactly what people picture when they talk about escaping to the hill country. And there's still so much room for you to put your own personal landscaping touches in. I can already picture summer afternoons out here, having friends and family over, something on the grill, and then evenings by the pool when it finally starts cooling off. And because of the trees surrounding everything, there's a sense of privacy that you don't always get with brand new construction. This floor plan was definitely designed for entertaining. You've got plenty of room for everyone to spread out, but the living area and dining and kitchen spaces still feel connected. So whether you're having people over or just hanging out at home, it all works. This could be a great office area or study space. This home has 5 bedrooms and four full bathrooms, and they all continue that same clean, peaceful feel. And of course, in a home like this, bathrooms don't disappoint. They're modern and sophisticated without feeling cold or overdone. Such a beautiful shower. And when you're surrounded by this many trees, those big windows almost become artwork. Instead of looking out at every other house, you get a lot of that natural hill country scenery. Over here we have another full bath. And a nice bedroom. Now let's slip upstairs and check out this space. I can totally imagine coming up here at the end of the day to get away from everything. Isn't this room just awesome? It's a great flex space for sure. And my favorite little feature is the little wine fridge. We also have another full bath up here. Nice and clean and modern. And this is a really large balcony. You can look into the living area, which is always nice. And there's one more little spot. This could also be a bedroom, an office, a game area. And you always have to open the little door. Look at all of this attic space. Oh my gosh, you could store so much up here. So we'll head back downstairs and check out the primary suite. Here we have the primary suite. I love the little built-ins. Just a calm, clean, very peaceful space. And this bathroom is so lovely with the double vanity. Again, nice clean lines. The shower is huge. Beautiful finishes. Here we have the primary closet. So much space. And there's a fun little detail in here as well. It's connected to the laundry room. Love this, and I love the detail in the laundry room. It's just such a fun place. It makes laundry not so bad. This is probably what I like most about this house. You're getting brand new, modern home and all the benefits that come with new construction, but you're also getting the trees, some privacy, and a relaxed lifestyle that makes people want to live in Wimberley in the first place. I'm Christy Williams, a realtor here in the Texas Hill Country. If you'd like more information about this home, or if you'd like to schedule a private showing, my contact information is in the details.